Okay, let's try this again. Something weird is going on with my phone, guys. But anyway, I just got eggs from my Shire Farm, and any of the advice that I would give my Shire Farm is just to put call upon arrival, because even if I go up there and give them a letter, it could still end up being delivered, and I would rather go and pick it up. So I would just say to put on the box, call upon arrival with a phone number. But anyway, let's see what we have. So this was packaged in a box, inside of a box, and now this is what I have. Alright, it looks like 32. Which isn't bad. I've ordered 30, so looks pretty good. It's a decent size. So what I'm going to do is set them in here, my little egg holder, for 24 hours. And then we'll start the incubation process. Now I will spray them with Listerine, the 50/50 Listerine and water. Now the Listerine is the original Listerine, and then half and half. So half a spray bottle of Listerine to half a spray bottle of water. This little foamy stuff. So yeah, we're gonna get that going. I am just looking for visible cracks right now. Ooh, foam. Feels weird. So I just pop them out. Being gentle. We have a crack. Yeah, that one cracked. It looked like that cracked during shipping, because it's all dried over. So there's one crack. That's why they send you like 2 extra or so, because the post office can be a little rough again. So that's why when you get them, check for the cracks before you set them up, you know. Okay. So yeah, this will be the start of us receiving the eggs and the start of everything. So I'm going to put the rest of these in here, and we'll come back within 24 hours and show you guys how we incubate our quail eggs. Like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings. Okay, so my phone's doing some weirdness, but anyway, these are Jumbo Coturnix quail eggs from Etsy. They just arrived this morning, and I'm showing you guys how they package them. There was a box inside of a box with paper, bubble wrap. Okay. Okay, so theirs are in a plastic. Ooh, that was open to a plastic container. And it's an order of 12. They give you the exact amount, just fine. Wait, let's see if there are any extras in there. No. No extras. We'll put that, drop that real quick. Okay. There's cotton at the bottom also. It's pretty unique. Let's see. Got a hairline correct. That's fine. Okay. So we will go ahead and spray these with our 50/50 water Listerine. And then we're going to set these on the counter for 12 hours. So we can have them go in the same day as the eggs from my Shire. Let's see. Just a little poop. And then baby's calling. So we're going to go ahead in this video and update you guys when we put them in the incubator later on today. Many blessings.